Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So our topic today is the benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. Multimedia are essential tools in our daily life. They combine computers, the internet, mobile device, image, sounds, and videos to make communication and learning faster and more effective. Benefit in education. Assist to online learning platform, Google Classroom, Zoom, YouTube. Interactive lesson with video, animation, and quizzes. Student can learn anytime, anywhere. Benefit in work or business. Remote worker taught video call, email, and collaborative app. Faster communication with teams across the world. Easier presentation use multimedia tools like PowerPoint and Canva. Social media connect families and friends worldwide. Multimedia and ICT empower education, work, and everyday life, making the 21st century more connected. That's all guys. Please like, share, and subscribe.